Today guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make an account with CRM Sales Pro and how to actually get started with it. So let's get straight into the video. So here it is guys, crmsalespro.net. If you haven't got this already, hit that link down below to get it. And if you don't know exactly what this is, I'm gonna give you a quick overview. Please go through the channel and have a look at a full review. So guys, it's an incredible platform, all right? Very user-friendly, all to do with empowering your sales team and empowering the business side of what you are doing, all right? This is the ultimate business sales CRM. Now there's lots of things that go along with it. Friendly dashboard, the increased productivity, okay? Loads of different features, contact center, invoicing, meeting, project tracking. But like I said, I'm gonna show you how to get registered today, how to get in, all right? So what you wanna first do is hit that register button. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So once you're in, guys, it's really nice, all right? Very user-friendly, very easy on the eyes. It looks like this. So you can see that I've got my account brand new. Okay, you've got your dashboard on the left, which sits here and gives you all your insights, all right? Total users, accounts, contacts, leads, sales orders, products, invoices, opportunities. On the right-hand side, you've got your invoice and your quote sales bar. Okay, that'll start to draw up as you prefer to move along. Now you got your invoice overviews, quote overviews, sales overviews. Guys, obviously, as you start to add things to this, it will of course release the insights on your dashboard. How do you add things? So what you want to do is go down the left-hand side. You can see on the role section now, if I want to add a role, for example, go over here to the plus on the right-hand side and just simply add whatever I need to do. So create, edit, and the campaign. Okay, and I'm going to add this role. I'm going to call it Scott's role and press create. Okay, now I have a role. You can see I've got two roles right there. All right, same with the user. Basically, guys, every single thing down here is super easy. You just simply click on what you want to add, go over to the right and add it. It's a drop down menu or a few things that you need to type in, guys, all right? And then you just simply press save. And it adds everything in for you and adds it to the insights. It's really easy. So you've got Messenger down the side, you've got the form builder that you can add in. You can add in your accounts as well, all your leads that will come through. Okay, you've got this section here, which is your leads for CRM Sales Pro. You've got your contacts, which you can import. Simple again, just hitting that cross button up at the top, okay? Opportunities, product, quotes, sales orders, invoices, payments, cases, calendar. The calendar's super neat. When you come into the calendar, you can simply add a meeting, add a call, or add a task, all right? And you can change it to what you want to see on here. Super easy, just click on that, just like you would the cross, and add in your information. Okay, going down, you have the tasks, the meetings, the calls, contracts, campaigns, stream, plan, order, reports. Okay, plan, probably the most important thing. Look at the prices of this. What did you think it was going to be before I clicked that? So you can get into a free plan like I just showed you for $0, right? You got to hit that link down below and just start. If you actually want to get the most out of this, all right, you want to get the lifetime pro, but for the lifetime basic, $59, you can get 3 gig cloud server, 5 users, 5 accounts, all right? Now, if you want to get the lifetime pro, the best out of this is $99. I know what you're thinking, $99 a month, that's probably going to be a bit of a strain on you. Guys, this is $99 for life. Now, the only way you can get this, hit that link down below and click subscribe on the $99 lifetime pro, and you are going to allow yourself to get the most fantastic deal on the internet right now on a one-time lifetime pro price. You're getting 10 gigabyte cloud service, 999 users, 999 accounts, and 999 contacts. Simply hit this subscribe button. Okay, once you've hit that, you want to put in all your details in here. Okay, if you want to use PayPal, feel free to use PayPal. Now guys, once you've chose your plan, all right, start getting dove into it. You can see your orders on here and you can upgrade at any time. Then you've got your reports, okay, your customer analysis, everything like that. And if you want to change the settings around, guys, please go to the settings. You can start to change if you want it dark, okay, if you want it light, fire code, anything you want to do, and you can go through all these, feel comfortable. But most importantly, guys, go to the plan and hit that price. Now you can do this on the main site as well. I'll quickly show you. If you hit that link down below, it's going to take you to this main page where it has the plan. It's the same thing, okay? So either start the free trial and get the plan, or just simply do it now and click start with lifetime pro plan. All right, it's super easy, guys. I'm super excited about this, so please hit that link down below. There you go, guys. Hit that like button down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. There's a link down there as well if you haven't got CRM Sales Pro already. Get involved right now, and I'll see you on the next video.